Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shraddha and you are watching Shraddha's Orbit. It's been a long while since I have uploaded any video and I am so sorry for that. I'm extremely sorry for that. But today I am here with a new video and new topic. Alright, so the title of today's video is Best Books for Class 10th, CBSE Class 10th. Okay. Okay, before moving further, let me tell you, I will tell you the best sample paper to solve in class 10 to score better marks, to score higher marks in the last of this video. So keep watching till then, okay? Alright, first maths. Let's start with maths. For maths, go for IS Agarwal, NCERT if you are a basic maths student, and if you are not, then go for RS Agarwal, NCERT obviously, and the compartment question papers of previous year compartment question paper, because as you know this year the level of question was much higher. So to tackle those kind of questions, you can go for compartment question papers. Okay, so IS Agarwal, NCERT and compartment question papers, and yes, you are good to go. For RD Sharma, I won't recommend it because it has much higher level of questions which are not board relevant at all. If you are preparing for JEE, even in that case, I won't recommend to solve RD Sharma because teachers will, when you will go in class 11, teachers will, teach you from the basic. So you don't need to solve RD Sharma at all in class 10. But if you want, then so well, go for it. But I will suggest you go for RS Agarwal, NCERT and compartment question paper. That's it. For science, physics. Okay, for physics, Eschen, which is the Lakhmeer Singh and Manjeet Kaur's book. I will paste the pic here. So yeah, Eschen for physics, NCERT. That's it, you are good to go. Eschen is literally the best book because it has proper theory, proper examples of each and every topic, and obviously a lot of questions to practice so that you don't get confused by the more complicated questions. For chemistry, stick to NCERT, and if you are preparing for Olympiad, go for NCERT Exemplar 2. If you are not, skip it completely, just follow NCERT. For bio, stick to NCERT no matter what happens. For bio, NCERT is the best book. It's literally the best book. And if you are preparing for Olympiad, go for NCERT Exemplar 2. And if you're not, skip it totally. For SST, there is no reference book which is better than NCERT at all. For social studies, stick to NCERT no matter what happens, because it's literally the best book for SST. Okay, let's get into the last part of this video, which is the best sample paper for class 10. Personally, I have used OSWAL and EduCard. I didn't find OSWAL much relevant than EduCard. EduCard is literally the best book. Not sponsored, because who will sponsor me right now? Okay, so yeah, EduCard is literally the best book. Why? Because it has obviously the official CBSE question paper, which every sample paper contains, obviously. But it has so many different sample papers also and previous year question papers. The color palette of EduCard is very similar, is exactly the same to that of CBSE official boards paper question papers. So yeah, that's why I like EduCard more. And EduCard has actually relevant questions. Seriously, it has. So yeah, go for EduCard. OSWAL, I won't recommend. EduCard was best for me. So yeah, and it will be best for everyone. That's all for this video. Hope you like it, and if you like it, then please make sure to subscribe because I am gonna upload so many 10th related videos which you are gonna need in future. Okay, in upcoming months. So yeah, stay tuned and comment down your doubts the topic you want me to make video on. So yeah, bye.